The Bernina 790 sewing machine now uses not just regular Bernina feet and not just the feet with the C for coded after them, but now they have feet that are labeled as the number with a letter D afterwards. Now if you do have a couple dual feed feet, and you can see there's an opening right on the back side. See that gigantic opening? That is for the dual feed to come down and be like that built-in walking foot. Well, there has to be a place for that item to go. So if you're just using your number 1C foot, that will allow for the machine to stitch a full 9 millimeters wide. And when you put that on the machine, it will let you do that. If you have a foot that is not coded without that little extra I at the top, the machine will narrow down your stitch width and let you only go up to 5.5 millimeters. So it's ingenious. It knows when it has a foot on that can stitch wide and when it shouldn't be stitching because it would break the needle. So when you're switching over to any Bernina dual feed foot, any Bernina foot with the D at the end, go ahead and put the foot on, attach it, and then reach back and slide the dual feed and engage it. That's how easy it is. But I see so many of my students stitching with a D foot on and it not being fully feeding very well because they never filled in that opening with that walking foot feature. Now, just a reminder, your machine is going to need to know which foot you actually put on. So right now I have the 1D foot on, and on the screen it says 1C. That was the last I was using it. So if I start to sew, I'm going to get a "what in the world do you have going on here" message. So all I need to do, I have the 1D foot on. I need to tell the machine that I'll be using that foot. It's the one with the star because that's what it can see. And then now it will let me stitch without the message coming up. So just remember, you need to always tell the machine which foot you're using. And here's another little trick I like to do. When I'm using some of the higher up numbers, like 97, that's the 1/4 inch foot, you can touch the 0 to 9 feature, type in 97, and be able to choose it right away. Now, it won't let me sew because that's not the foot it thinks I have on. So I'm going to just go back to the 1D and it will let me stitch, but it won't let me stitch with the wrong foot.